Today we're making
flying noodles.
we just chop it up the spring onions to about this size. Then we have a little bit of coriander. So we loosen up the noodles and we put the chopsticks through it, twist, and you'll have flying noodles. Bring it onto a wok and pour hot oil on top.
For Vincent's sauce, I just went ahead and cut up all the mise en place. Ginger, followed by garlic.
Or you could just do this.
And then the scrimpies, or the prawns, or the shrimps, whatever the you want to call it.
We call them prawns.
Prawns.
Adding a little bit of oil to the wok. And we're just gonna fry the prawns. We fried the prawns in a little bit of oil. Put the prawns aside. Then we added the garlic, ginger, spring onions, and chicken stock.
Just a little bit of yum yum.
Then we added all our seasonings. We tossed the prawns back in there. Then we added a little bit of potato starch and a little bit of egg white on top. A little bit of sesame oil, and you pour it straight on top of the noodles. Coriander all around. Flying noodles.
Flying noodles.
Flying noodles. So once you get it all over, this noodle should soften with the sauce, and we'll have some delicious soft noodles with prawns.
That's comfort right there. I really like that.
Oh, look at the prawn. Just falls right off the shell.
So good. I forgot to throw my top.